Hi everyone. Yeah, hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain about LoadRunner WebTours application setup. It means how to install LoadRunner because I'm talking about the latest version. Because whenever you want to install LoadRunner software, only latest versions are available. Okay. So as per today April 19th, right? So whatever the software is available in the so and so site which I'm looking for. So I'm going to download LoadRunner and I'm going to download WebTours application also. See this WebTours application, earlier we have HP LoadRunner, we used to call it as from the HP side we used to download the LoadRunner software. But now what it became, it is Micro Focus LoadRunner. Okay, so let me show you that. Okay, so this is the URL which I am giving you. From this URL, this is the path to install LoadRunner. Just go to the site. So this is the site. When you have an account in the Micro Focus, so then you can able to log in into that. So as a registered user, you can able to download it from the site. Okay, so you can see here LoadRunner Professional. This is the one which you need to download it. What they are providing us, there is no expiration date for the LoadRunner for this trial version. This is a trial version that they are providing, and with this, see, if you see here the details, what they are providing, they are giving us a 50 virtual users. Okay, and there is no expiration date, means we can use it for lifelong. Because if you want to do the practices, not for project people, and I'm not suggesting to download this because this is a trial version. People who wants to learn LoadRunner, they can able to download it from here, the trial version. You no need to pay anything, it's not paid version. So they are giving you the 50 virtual users for your testing, and they are going to give us a few protocols. So you have to remember this. And purchases, the other thing is a purchase one, licensed version. It again depends upon the projects or companies, what client is demanding, on what basis, on what requirements, based on the requirements, how to categorize it, how to identify number of users, and what is the duration, means how many number of years we need to use this LoadRunner. Based on all these features, they have to give, they're going to give you the licensed paid version package. Okay, so in my laptop I have already installed LoadRunner Professional, because by downloading this, I think nobody will face any issue during downloading LoadRunner. So directly I'm showing you the components, what are components are available in this LoadRunner. Okay, so if you see on my desktop, LoadRunner is nothing but, LoadRunner is not a single tool, it's a combination of the three components. Whatever you are seeing on my desktop, these are the three: virtual user generator, controller, and analysis. To explain you all these things in short, in brief, let me explain you. In virtual user generator, what we are doing, we are just recording the application, scripts are going to generate. Okay, what we are doing, we are recording the scripts, we are doing the enhancements, where we are doing the replay, and we are doing some runtime settings or recording options, how to configure, what options we need to choose during run, on what basis, what is the type of what is the run logic that we are using there, how many number of iterations you want. So those things we are just these are the things that we are going to do in virtual user generator in order to generate the scripts. Okay, let's move on to this controller. Once script is generated, we have to do two things here. First one is you have to design the scenario. Okay, for that we have design section separately, and another one is a run tab. So run tab is nothing but we are executing the test case. Okay, I think manual testers easily understand these terminologies, because even you are doing the same thing, right? You are creating the scenarios, and you are creating the test cases. Okay, and then you are executing the same thing. We are going to do, we have to design the scenarios in the controller, and we have to execute same scenarios whatever you have designed. Then all the results will be captured in the analysis tool. Analysis is specially made for that, capturing the results and publishing the results, like what is the transaction response rate, number of hits per second, number of, you know, um, it depends upon what metrics you want exactly, what you want to look for, how application is behaving, what are the exact, like either client side metrics or server side metrics, whatever. So if you want to see all those things, you've been able to see in the form of graphical representation in analysis component. So this is like a brief description on the tool, LoadRunner tool. Okay, I'm just giving you some time to look over whatever I have explained now. So this slide shows you that. Okay, and coming to the WebTours application. So as I already told you earlier, if it was a HP LoadRunner, they have given us a WebTours application as part of HP LoadRunner itself. So we are just starting the server and we are using the server, okay, using the application, WebTours application. But now it is not like that. In Micro Focus people, what they have given us, they are just asking us to download it separately. For that, how to download it? This is the link which I have provided. Okay, so let me show you that. When I browse this URL, this is the page which I am going to view. So if you come down little further, this is the WebTours 1.0. This is the one you need to download. So with this, see, when you click on this, there are two files available. When you want to download WebTours, some other file is also associated with it, that is Strawberry Pearl. First you have to download Strawberry Pearl software, and then you have to use the WebTours application. Okay, I have already downloaded in my system, so that see, so in this WebTours, so I got the zip file. So in that they have given Strawberry Pearl software and WebTours also. Okay, so first I have installed Strawberry Pearl. If it is successfully installed, then I have gone back to the WebTours application, and I just need to start my server, and I have to start working with the WebTours application. Okay, let me tell you one thing here. People faced so many issues while downloading this WebTours application, and one of my students also complained about it because they were not able to access this WebTours application. They faced so many issues. That's because how to troubleshoot it. First thing, you have to see, I have mentioned here, verify the config file always. Have you done any changes to the config file or not? You have to check it before running the server, before starting the server. Okay, this is the config file, httpd.config. Let me show you again. In the WebTours folder, these are the WebTours folder, these are the subfolders and files. In this config folder, go to the config folder, and this is the httpd.config. Edit it so that you can able to view the content of what exactly they have given. So it starts from here. If you come down, so there is a command called listen. This is the port number which we have to use it, localhost, because you are using it in your local, right? So the localhost port number points to 1080, which is not commented here. If you see here, this is the default file which I got. Okay, I'm not doing any changes, I'm just showing you what exactly is there in this config file. If you further come down, have a look, server name also. See, this is commented. This is by default. It was already there. I didn't do any changes. As soon as I download the WebTours application, let me check. Let me close this. Let me server. Okay. If any servers are, just do remember one thing. For example, by mistake you have started the server and you have done some changes to config file. You have to come back and close the server, and again you have to restart the server. Don't forget this. Otherwise, there will be no impact on the application. Okay, it won't reflect anything, the changes whatever you have done in the config file. Okay, so I didn't do anything, just go back. See, I'm just starting the server. I didn't do any change. Please remember, this is initially I didn't do any changes to my config file. So this is the URL. Okay, the 1080 it is pointing to. Just okay. So since it is pointing to 1080, I am able to log in. So I'm able to access my application. Okay. Okay. This is a positive approach. Let's. I think everybody knows about the user ID and password for this WebTours application. Jojo is my username and password is the BEAL. Click on login. So yes, I'm just checking whether application is responding properly or not. Sign off, come back. Yes. Okay, good. Now in my system I'm good with my all the components of the load runner, and at the same time I have WebTours application also. Because some application is needed. This is the best application to work with. If you want to learn more, you need an application to work, right? So this is the best tool, the best application. So I think I gave you the proper information. You just try changing config file and try to access the WebTours application here. If you do any changes, something changing port number, something like that, then you may not able to access this WebTours. Whatever the port number that you have changed in the config file, with that only you can able to change. Please remember. And after changing, close the server if it is already running, and again restart the server, and then again try to access the application. Hope this video helps you. If you have any queries on this, if you are still facing issues for installing load runner during installation of this WebTours or setup of this WebTours, if you have any doubts, please do let me know through your comments, or directly mail me also. I'll definitely answer your questions. Okay, thank you friends.